Okay, here I have opened for withrisschool.com website, and you can also to open it in your browser. So here I will explain what is C++. C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance application. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension to the C language. C++ gives programmer a high level of control over system resource and memory. So, why use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. C++ can be found in today's operating system, graphical user interface or GUI, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development costs. C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is fun and easy to learn, as C++ is close to C, C#, and Java programming language. It makes it easy for programmer to switch to C++ or vice versa. So, what is different between C and C++ programming language? C++ was developed as an extension of C programming language, and both languages have almost the same syntax. And then the script between C and C++ are same. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects, while C does not. So here the explain for C++. So what important for C++ to learn? Different between C and C++. So get start for a simple or basic syntax from this programming language. So here I will use the application for run the C++ program. I will open for dev C++ application. Okay, here we can create a new file. So if you want to download this application, you can to download from the browser like this. Okay, here from the official website, you can to get the application here. Okay. So I will write a basic syntax from this programming language. Okay, here I have write a basic syntax from C++ programming language. Here there is include IOStream. IOStream is a library which using for C++ program. So here using namespace std. So in main and this sector you can write the program what you want, like input, output, input classes, and etc. So here I will try for run this program, but before that I will save the file as extension with .cvv. Okay, here I will put in example in D. So untitled 1.cpv. Okay, here the important for the extension of this file .cpp because we will run the C++ programming. Okay, if we have to save the file, you can run the program. Okay, here we have successfully to run the program or C++ program, and here empty because we haven't to write the program in main. Here the basic syntax from C++. This I mean, IOStream is library that include function of scene and cout. Without IOStream, we can use syntax of cin and cout. So here, for implementation for cin, we can following this syntax. Here I will create the variable with integer. As you can see the program, here I create some variable and cin syntax. That's here the value as number. The mean of this program that number will the value will input by user. Okay, I will try for run the program. Okay, here the program has opened the new windows, and here we can type the character like integer, string, or etc. Okay, here I will try input by 20. As you can see, the program successfully to run. The mean 20. Okay, the mean from that program. Sorry, I will run again the program. Okay, here 20 and cin. Here the variable of number filled the value with 20. That's for the basic syntax by cin. Okay, if we can see the output from the number, we can write a syntax cout number, and then if we run the program and I will input 20, here the program will give the feedback or the output as 20. That's the mean number filled the value with 20. Okay, here I will create some variable with number assigned by 10, and here I will create for if statement if number more than 0, and then we can output true. So here we can also create the cout for this code always execute. As you can see here, I have to create integer number assigned by 10. So the condition syntax like if number more than 0, cout true. Okay, so after the syntax execute, the program will jump to this code. Cout this code always execute, and then we can run the program and we will try the output from this program. Sorry, here I will give for line to be the script is correctly. Okay, here the output is true and this code always execute. Okay, I will explain why is true. Here the number assigned by 10 and the condition if number more than 0 cout true. Okay, as we know 10 more than 0 and the condition is true. So the program, if the condition is true, will execute this line first, this code, cout true. So after this condition, the program will execute this code. This code always execute because that the output will give us the true and this code always execute because this is the true condition. So we will try for the false condition. Here I will assign by 5. Okay, and we can run the program again. Here doesn't out the output because mean 5 that's not more than 0 and 0 more than means 5. So here this code will skip by the condition and this code always execute because this code out of if condition. That's for basic statement in if statement. Okay, here I will write the basic of loop statement. And live. So here. Okay, here. Nice. We can run the program. Actually, we can input for loop. If you run the program, the output will give the feedback like hello world 5 times. Okay. I will explain for this script. For is the syntax of the basic syntax in loop statement in C++. Integer, here I create a variable assigned by value assigned by 0. So here the second condition variable less than 5, if variable less than 5 and then variable increment. So here the output will loop 5 times because here the condition with 5 and we can also assign by 100. If you run the program, we can close the program. The output will print hello world 100 times. This very useful and important for programmer. Okay.